chance to ring in 2026. Ken Daniels and Mickey Redmond with you here in the gondola as we bring you our Southeast Michigan Ford dealer starting goaltenders for the Winnipeg Jets. Commerce Township's Connor Hellebuyck making an 8th consecutive start. The Jets went 3-8-1 in the 12 games he was missing with a knee injury, but the Jets are only 1-3-3 since the 32-year-old returned. There's John Gibson looking to get back to his winning ways that saw him pile up 8 straight victories, matching a streak last set by Chris Osgood. He makes his 10th start the past 15. He's won 8 of the previous 9. The fourth lines for their respective teams start tonight. Vlad Namestnikov, a former Red Wing number 7 for Winnipeg. As the Red Wings almost had Nate Danielson in at center, and they almost had Namestnikov. But it's another former Red Wing in there, and Gus Nyquist, number 4.